Hey, what is up guys? This is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, pag-usapan natin itong bagong produkto ni Plod, and this is the Plod Note Pen. You would remember in January of 2025, I talked about the Plod Note because we saw them at CES 2025, and I thought maybe I should probably buy one. Hindi pa available ang Plod in general in the Philippines back then, no? Pero just recently, I believe they announced it last July or maybe earlier than that. They announced that they will finally be officially available in the Philippines. Now, in the description, makikita nyo yung mga kung saan nyo mabibili itong mga bagong produkto nila. And one of their latest products, which I mentioned earlier, is the Plod Note Pen. So this is the one. It's the world's most wearable AI voice recorder. So what it essentially does is it basically records conversations in a meeting, for example, and it transcribes everything in the meeting, and it uses LLM to generate summary and also mind map. These are powerful and very useful outputs which you can use for generating presentations, reports, or if you are just simply would like to remember everything that was discussed during your meetings. It even recognizes the speakers. Napaka-useful ito. In fact, no, I stopped using recorders from my phones, although yes, useful yung mga bagong transcription applications from Galaxy AI and also from Apple Intelligence. But having this kind of detaches you from your phone, makes you focus on the discussion and let the Note Pen or the Note, which is the Note, to do the recording for you. So just to give you guys an idea, I talked about the Plod Note last January of 2025 because back then, hindi pa available ang Plod products in the Philippines. So ginawa ko is I had to buy one via Amazon. Fortunately, lahat ng produkto ni Plod, like the Note and also the Note Pen, are now available in the Philippines. And I believe that they have an upcoming Plod Note Pro. They have not yet announced yet it's available in the Philippines, but hopefully it will become available as well. So ito yung Plod. So what it does is just simply press this button, it vibrates, and now it is basically recording that whatever it is able to listen to. So meron yung microphone and it just records. And then later on, what it will do is it will generate reports for me. Okay? Apologies for the sound kasi may trabaho dito sa labas, no? And then also summary and even mind map. Napaka useful para sa akin. In fact, when they announced the S25 FE here in the Philippines, I actually recorded each presentations at doon ko nakuha yung mga salient information that I needed. Napaka-useful na tool, and now it comes with a Note Pen. It's a pen-sized. So if you're after the size, if you don't want to carry something like this, meron na silang bago ngayon, which is just like a lapel mic, and you can just simply use it and pin it, and then whenever you go to the meeting and it'll just do its thing, just simply press the button. So gagawin natin is we're going to unbox this and show you guys everything inside, and then also give you guys a quick look at how it is set up on my iPhone, and then what it does also, no? And yeah, kagaya nito, it's currently recording right now. I'll show you what it will or it could generate. Okay, so here is the unboxing experience of the Plod Note Pen. It's the world's most wearable AI voice recorder, now available in the Philippines for 10,499. Yan. So, ito na yung itsura niya. May cushion lang dito. Just put it right here. And then we have here, I believe this is the magnet. The other side of the magnet. And this is the Plod pin. So, this one attaches to the other side of the magnet. So, para siyang lapel. So what you do now is you put this right here and then magnet at the back, and it's just there. It just sits there, and if I press this button, it will record. Okay. All right. Let me just again set everything up. Oops. Now, inside, you've got here also the Type-C cable. We have the charging dock right here. This is where you put the plod pin. Just don't forget na meron niyang pogo pins. Yan. And then you attach here, you connect this to the Type-C. And then this is basically what charges the plod pin. I would assume na meron tong charge. And you also have here a lapel. Should you wish not to use this, you can use this to clip onto your shirt, for example. There. I'll just spin it right over here. There you go. Yan. But kasi yung iba ayaw nila na nakapin na ganun kasi mas maganda yung ganito. Mas aesthetic, kumbaga. Ayan. Okay, so that's pretty much everything, I believe. May nabibiling mga accessories dito, no? You can actually buy a necklace so that you can easily put this on. Meron dito provision for lanyard, for string, dito sa side na to. Para nang sa ganun ay if you want to use this as your necklace, pwede rin. Now, inside, you've got here quick start guide kung paano siya gamitin. Download Plod app, which I already have. Start recording by long press. A vibration will happen. Long press until the continuous gentle vibration changes to 2 strong vibrations. Yan. So meron siyang ditong indicator ready to connect, recording, low battery, yung orange, or I think maroon, fully charged green, and out of storage is yung yellow. Okay. Now what we'll do is we will now try to turn it on. Let's just look at Plod. I have here the Plod application. Now, just to give you guys an idea, this is what it can generate. This is a product launch briefing of Galaxy S25 FE, which we recorded last May 29. At nilabas naman na namin yung video nito, no? But as you can see, here are the things that were covered from the transcription. So gumawa from transcription, ito yung transcript, no? And then ito yung nagawa niyang summary. Then you've got here the mind map as well. Very, very comprehensive. This is my personal favorite kasi naka-outline na siya. Now, what you can do now is if you want to be more creative with your work, what you can do is simply grab the full transcript, copy it, and maybe paste it to your favorite large language model or maybe AI subscription services like ChatGPT or maybe Google Gemini. You can use that para makapag-generate ka ng other things based on the transcript. Now, let us see. It says here, Plod Note. I can add the Plod device. Yan. Blue. Search again. Yun, nag-vibrate na siya. So, it says here, Plod Note pin. Closest to you. Connect. So, we can see now here 2 devices. We have the Plod pin and also we have the other one. Congrats! Now you can start experience your Plod Note pin. It's asking me for a subscription. This is totally optional if you want to because asa inyo yun, no? Pero with this subscription, you can do unlimited transcription minutes, industry glossary, custom summary templates, Ask AI, and a few more. But we don't need this yet because if you want to get this, you will have to spend about 13,000 per year, but it's optional. Okay. So, Plod Note pin. If I want to record, just simply press this, or maybe you can just simply press this button right here. Yeah, nag-vibrate na siya and it's now recording right now. And as you can see, meron ditong indicator that it's now recording. And what it will do is, as I mentioned, it will record everything that it would hear, and then it will generate a summary and also a mind map later on. Similar to what you've seen earlier when I recorded yung product briefing ng Galaxy S25 FE and also the other things. Oh, and the good thing about the latest one is that I can even add this to my Find My account. So what I can do is go to Plod Note pin. There's an update. sync to cloud when charging, Find My, it says there. Find My, you can't see it, but let me just lower down. There. Find My. Add Note Pin to Find My. Unable to activate Find My screen. Oh, it's currently recording. Okay, so what I will do is I will just first stop the recording. And then save. Then it will now generate something. Yan. So, mag-generate yung ngayon siya ng summary. I will just use autopilot. And it's now transcribing. Now, while it is transcribing, I can now add this to my Find My. Add Note Pin. Then that's it. Open. We're going to add it. Plus other item. It should, right? There you go. Plod Note Pin. Connect. It is now in my Find My account. Let's go back to na-generate kanina. It says here, ayan, this lecture demonstrates a recording. So takeaways, chapter and topics, key points, explanation. Okay? So it also, nakapag-generate din siya ng mind map, which is very, very powerful. Ito naman yung kanina pa nagre-record from the note. No? I will just save this because we're done with that. And it should show up in a little bit. Ayan na siya. It's now currently transcribing. You have the option to connect directly to the Plod Note or Note Pin, so it will have easier or faster transfer. Okay. Now, both of these items are now available in the Philippines for 10,499. It is all up to you what you wish to get. If you want a pin form factor, and if you want naman, you can also get the Note form factor. So the pin does not have a raw recording compared to the Note, but it does have a Find My feature. Okay, I will update the firmware of this device. In the case of the Plod Note, this one has no Find My at the time of the production of this video, but it does have raw recording. Okay? So yun yung major difference between the two, but same prices. There's an option for you to subscribe to their subscription model, which opens you to more features, and it's all up to you. No? Optional siya. No? So what do you guys think about the new Plod Note Pin and also the Plod Note? Is this something that you would like to try out? Would you rather stick to what your Galaxy AI or maybe your iPhone can do in terms of auto-transcribing meetings and recordings? Or would you rather have a dedicated gadget for this purpose? I'd like to know in the comment section down below. We will be reviewing the Plod Note Pin, just like what we did with the Plod Note. Link to our review of the Plod Note is now at the description. And of course, we will be updating the description once we've uploaded or published our Plod Note Pin review. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.